Welcome to Detroit's first all-glass residential high-rise located in downtown Detroit on the shore of the Detroit River. This state-of-the-art building provides unparalleled views and complete high-tech concierge design and services. The residence's water square are known for their elegant design and expansive modern conveniences. Today, we're taking you inside for a private showing of this spectacular development. This pet-friendly building comes complete with pet wash and grooming stations, as well as a bike storage area with a tune-up repair station. The state-of-the-art fitness center provides the opportunity to find balance and promote wellness and a healthy lifestyle, from the yoga area to the latest weightlifting and cardio equipment. There are currently 3 floor plans available, and the first is the all-in-one studio, which features 586 square feet of well-appointed space to accommodate your high standard of living. Our second opportunity is the 1-bedroom suite, which offers 668 square feet of stylish living and gorgeous views of the riverfront. Can you imagine waking up to these views every single day? Each unit boasts quartz countertops, a European appliance package, and custom cabinets imported from Italy. The design incorporates concrete poured for noise insulation and a special grade window to ensure quiet enjoyment at home. Our third option is the 1-bedroom corner suite, providing 784 square feet of luxury living with floor-to-ceiling all-glass waterfront views. The riverfront marina is available for boat and jet ski docking. Let the summer fun begin. The smart technology offers 2 gig fiber, smart thermostat, keyless entry, and USB outlets. The all-inclusive app provides ease of living with full valet services, grocery and package delivery, dry cleaning, dog walking services, and so much more. You have to see it to believe it. The residence's largest and most exclusive units are the top floor penthouses and provide extraordinary space to host and entertain. This community has 500 total units of top-notch living, and the great news is there is space available for you. The gorgeous Sky Lounge and Chef's Kitchen provide a great opportunity to host your friends and family for a special event, or find another space to work or just relax. Leading out to the private rooftop terrace, you will be met with unbeatable views of downtown Detroit's spectacular skyline and riverfront. The residence's all-season pool and outdoor terrace is the perfect oasis for any time of year. The resort-style pool is meticulously designed, including an expansive viewing deck that opens up to the award-winning riverfront view. The sports lounge is the perfect place to catch the big game or main event. Don't miss the opportunity to call this revolutionary community home.